With Mr. Safir Anand. He is author of the book Confessions of the Stock Market Wizards. Let's hear from him what he has to say about the book.
So, while I'm not a full-time investor and I'm an intellectual property lawyer and I represent a lot of brands, I felt that, and I've got a background in economics from one of the best universities and best colleges in the country, I felt that the subject of risk was not being taught anywhere in schools and colleges. And what was happening is that we feel that there's a lot of glory in a fund manager coming and talking about the success that he's had. If he says that I bought X stock and it's become 100 times, you get very enamored by it. But there's literally no learning there because you've not participated in the 100x journey. Whereas they have a lot of adaptability towards their mistakes, they review a lot of processes, and I think if we are able to eliminate mistakes from our lives, then we will be probably more attuned to success. And what this book does is it picks 26 people. Now the interesting part is the 26 people have all been picked with more than a decade of experience. So they've seen a lot of ups and downs in the market. They've got completely different ideologies. Somebody is a small cap stock picker, somebody is a large cap picker, somebody likes technology, somebody likes, for example, a cyclical business. And the idea was so much so that I even have Mr. Atul Suri who only looks at macro charts. And the idea was to bring in a variety of their experience towards the fact that when mistakes happen, which may be their own judgment mistakes, or it may be the fact that the market has punished because say a COVID has happened or a subprime has happened, how do they react to those circumstances, how do they reposition their portfolio, their thinking, how do they hear the fact that every day they are being benchmarked and they, obviously only one person is going to come first, but over a period of time, many of them will sort of cross the finish line. So this book was an ideology of these 26 great legends.
Chalo, wish you all the very best, sir. Hearty congratulations.
Thank you.